Kangana Ranaut has left her residence for Raj Bhavan, where she will be meeting with Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari in half an hour's time. From now, Kangana is likely to appraise the governor of the situation that emerged after her office was demolished by the Sena-controlled BMC civic body. Kangana's meeting comes at a time when she is under attack from the ruling Sena. Sena accused Kangana of attempting to defame Mumbai. Sena, via its editorial Samna, has justified the action of the BMC on Kangana Ranaut's office and said that it is shameful that BJP is supporting the actor who compared Mumbai to Pakistan and used foul language against Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Sena also said that it is disheartening to see that not even half of the Bollywood fraternity are raising their voice against Kangana. Now remember, the Bollywood actor launched an all-out war against Uddhav-led government there after her office was demolished by the BMC. Meanwhile, Simla's BJP IT cell is demanding for an FIR against Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut. Let's take a listen.
ये जो शिकायत है हम एक मैसेज भी देना चाहते थे पूरे हिंदुस्तान में और एक हम लॉफुली हम इस पे एक्शन की मांग भी करते थे। हम मैसेज ये देना चाहते थे कि आप हिमाचल के साथ आप बदतमीजी से नहीं कर सकते, आप हमारी बेटी के साथ दुर्व्यवहार नहीं कर सकते, आप हमारी बेटी के खिलाफ कुछ अपशब्द न्यूज़ नहीं कर सकते। ये हिमाचल की मान सम्मान की लड़ाई है। हम पूरे भाजपा और पूरे प्रदेश इस टाइम कंगना रनौत के साथ है। ये रिक्वेस्ट लेकर हम एसपी शिमला के पास गए थे आज।
Here is Kangana Ranaut, all set to head to the governor's office in just a little while from now. She will be appraising the governor of what happened. Remember, the BMC is citing violations of construction raised down Kangana Ranaut's office. Her house is next on the radar. Here is Kangana Ranaut seeking some comfort from the governor. Remember, the governor also slammed the Maharashtra government, in fact the BMC as well, for raising down Kangana's office without proper notice. A 24-hour notice was not sufficient. They must compensate her for it, was also said. In fact, earlier we spoke to Sanjay Raut. This is what he said with regards to Kangana.
उनके बयान के बाद सामना में लिखा था उखाड़ दिया, तो साफ बात आती है कि ये तो एक रिटेलिएशन है, एक रिएक्शन है जो उन्होंने बोला।
रिएक्शन इस प्रकार से हो सकता है और रिएक्शन की शुरुआत किसने की? हमने नहीं की। ये कोई हमारा, देखिए मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा है, जब से महाराष्ट्र में सरकार बनी है तब से ऐसा एक दिन भी नहीं गया कुछ लोगों के घर में, दफ्तरों में, कि सरकार के खिलाफ साजिश नहीं हुई। छोटे छोटे मुद्दे, छोटी छोटी बातों के ऊपर पकड़कर, किसी का बयान को पकड़कर सरकार के खिलाफ कोई आंदोलन करे या कोई बयान दे या कोई दिल्ली से कोई ताकत लगा दो, लेकिन हमने उसकी हमारी तैयारी हम मेंटली हमने बना दिए। हमको 5 साल तक ये झेलना पड़ेगा। लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं, आप कितने भी साजिश करो, सरकार 5 साल चलेगी।
आज कंगना रनावत ने एक विवेक अग्निहोत्री ने एक कार्टून बनाया था, वो भी शेयर किया है, जहां पे उद्धव ठाकरे के 10 सर हैं, तो आप उसे भी मानते हैं कि वो आपत्तिजनक है?
क्यों नहीं, आपत्तिजनक है, लेकिन आप बार बार क्या दिखाना चाहते हो मुंबई में बैठकर? लेकिन इस सब जो बात आप कर रहे हो उसकी नोटिंग हो रही है, हमारे मन में बातें रही है, चुभ रही है। हमने आपको क्या नहीं किया? मुंबई ने आपको क्या नहीं दिया? महाराष्ट्र ने सबको दिया है सब कुछ।
उनको अब वाई प्लस सिक्योरिटी है, कई लोग बोल रहे हैं कि जिस तरह से शिवसेना बात करी, जिस तरह से सरकार बात करी, एक धमकी के तौर पे हैं।
कोई धमकी नहीं देता है। देखो, आज हिमाचल प्रदेश में मैं पढ़ रहा था, एक गैंग रेप हो गया कांगड़ा में, 7 लोगों को पकड़ा है कुछ 10-15 दिन में। क्या वो लड़की को Z+ सिक्योरिटी देंगे? आप दिया है क्या वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री ने? उसका ऊपर गैंग रेप हुआ है और उसको मारने की धमकी दी है। तो वो जो लड़की है उसको सबसे ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी की ज़रूरत है। क्या केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से या वहाँ के जो मुख्यमंत्री साहब है ठाकुर जी, जयराम ठाकुर जी, क्या उस लड़की को Z+ सिक्योरिटी दिया है? क्या एक गार्ड तो दिया है? तो ये सब राजनीति कौन से शिखर तक जाती है और कहाँ तक गिरती है, यहाँ भी मालूम है, हम भी राजनीति में है।
Across to Vidya joining us live for more details on that. Vidya, here is Kangana Ranaut all set to head towards the governor's office in just a little while from now. Well, Shiv Sena says that it is the BMC's prerogative. They've identified violations. It's not our business. We don't care beyond that, what she says. In fact, here is the governor on the other hand saying that the BMC or the Maharashtra government must in fact compensate Kangana Ranaut for the demolition. Here is Kangana trying to seek some comfort and perspective from the governor. What's going to be on schedule?
Well, it is this very path that Kangana will be traveling to reach the governor's house, the Raj Bhavan, which is located right at the southern end of Mumbai. And this is where in some time Kangana, who is almost crossed Bandra, she'll be reaching here any minute now. In this duration that she'll be meeting the governor, it is expected that she will seek some, political help from the governor to see to it that there is some kind of a compensation given. And the fact that remains is that it is not Kangana, the actor who will be reaching here. There is also a lot of people have been speaking about how she has now harbored, political ambitions. So probably it could be also that she'll be here for, trying to take some mileage, political mileage too on this. But right now it is just very path in some time where she will be traveling to get to Raj Bhavan, and in some time we will see Kangana approaching on this very road to the Raj Bhavan. And in fact, she's almost crossed the other area that we have gotten to know, and she should be here any minute now.
Thank you very much, Vidya. We're going to be tracking her movements. She's going to be meeting with Governor Koshyari in just a little while from now, trying to see what next for Kangana Ranaut. Koshyari, remember, has already asked the government to compensate Kangana for the loss, for the damage, saying that she should have been given prior notice. These are live visuals coming in. Kangana Ranaut already making her way towards the governor's office. Here, her car just leaves. Kangana Ranaut headed towards the governor's office. She's going to be meeting with the governor. She's going to be appraising the governor of the situation that took place. In fact, the Maharashtra government there is Kangana Ranaut. There were live visuals coming in of Kangana headed out from her home towards the governor's office.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.